Hi, using Claude 3.5 or 4.6 Sonnet to analyze stocks involves feeding it structured company data like financials, earning transcripts for comprehensive analysis, including DCF valuation, financial trend assessment, and fair value estimation. It excels at parsing 10Ks, identifying key trends, and performing complex calculations, often outperforming or matching more expensive models in agentic financial tasks. So, gather data, obtain a target company's financial stats, balance sheets, and cash flows from sources like Yahoo Finance, and save the data, 10K, 10Q, as a PDF or text files, and use Claude projects basically to upload these documents. If you're new, you can just go ahead, enter a new project, name the project, let's say stocks, and create a project. And inside, all you gotta do is just paste the PDF or text file, okay? And you can submit the documents here, enabling focused analysis on specific financial data. Use targeted prompts such as analyze, when you upload the file of 10Ks, for example, analyze, right, this financial data, right? Evaluate the company's growth and estimate a fair value using a DCF model, okay? So if you want, rate the company's growth and estimate a fair value, okay, using a DCF model. And Claude can provide a detailed analysis of financial trends, growth potential, and a recommendation on whether the stock is undervalued or overvalued. So, key capabilities here for Claude is financial document parsing, efficiently analyzes complex documents like 10Ks and earning reports, performs DCF or discounted cash flow and relative valuation analysis. Some implementations allow using Claude with technical analysis agents to analyze stock trends. Claude Sonnet, particularly the 4.6 version, performs high-level financial analysis, leading in agentic benchmarks. Lastly, projects allow you to train a custom bot with specific industry expertise. So use up recent data, verify information, avoid prediction requests. So instead of asking, will this stock go up, ask for analysis of the company's financial health, integrate with tools. For advanced users, tools like Nightin or N8N can integrate Claude 3.7 or 4.6, Sonnet Vision for visual chart analysis. Disclaimer, AI models can make mistakes. Always conduct your own due diligence before making investment decisions. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time.